Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this, and then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, we search for our fractals, which is our first indicator here, as you can see. So you click on this plus icon and you search for the fractals. So for the fractal, it's not a big deal. All right, so you can use the default setting, change the color if you want. All right, so after that you click on done. This is just the setting you are seeing here. Okay, click on done, and the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. All right, now let me show you guys the fractal. This is the fractal. This small dot here you are seeing on the chart. All right, this blue line, this blue dot here. All right, now after adding that, now the next indicator we have the relative strength index. All right, so you click on this plus icon and you search for relative strength index. Now the relative strength index, we are using it for the levels. We need the overbought and the oversold level. That's why we are adding the relative strength index. So you make the period 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 15 and 85. All right, you make the color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. All right, the time frame, you make it all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, and you make the pixel 1 pixel. All right, after that you click on done, and you can see we have the 85 and the 15 level here. All right, this red line here, 85 and 15 level. Now the next indicator we have here is the MACD. So after adding the relative strength index, the indicator window 1 will be formed, and this plus icon here will be formed too. All right, so you click on this second plus icon to add your MACD. Now for the MACD, you can see the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The main, you make it the white. As you can see, use the lowest pixel, which is 1 pixel. All right, then the signal, you make it color red. All right, you make it 3 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have added that, you are going to have this white and blue line on your chart. Okay, not the red one. Now the last indicator here is the moving average. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again to add your moving average. All right, now these are the properties for the moving average. Okay, these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 1, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, the applied to its previous indicators that are this second to the last one. All right, the levels, we make it, you leave it as it is. All right, the time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. So the signal line, this is the red one, then the moving average is the blue line. All right, so once you have set everything correctly, you are going to have something like this. All right, so before I go further, I want to quickly share with you guys a very important information, which is about profitability. All right, now I have been going through various classes, online tutorial, all right, seminars, but let's say you know everything about forex trading already. All right, you know how, you know, if they ask you anything, you can say it about forex trading, but you are not still profitable. All right, there are some things you lack, there are some knowledge you lack that is making you not to be profitable. All right, so I decided to keep it to myself before, but you know, Xmas is coming, we all need money. All right, so I want to help people make money. All right, so what you should do is to message me directly. You check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. All right, do make sure to message me directly. There is a secret I want to share with you. All right, but although I'm going to tell you, it's not for free. All right, I'll be charging you a little bit of money, okay, but it's going to benefit you. All right, so if you want to become profitable, if you want to know that thing that you are missing to become profitable, then you should message me. All right, you should run and message me, so that before Christmas or any of those things you want to do comes, you are going to be making money already. Okay, so make sure to message me directly, and I'll be sharing with you guys this powerful strategy, the powerful information you need to become profitable in this forex trading journey. Okay, so I think that is it. All right, enough is enough for the wise. So this message is not for everybody, although, okay, it's not for everybody, so don't come to me and be saying rubbish. It's for those ones that are money minded, those that really want to change their life. Okay, so that is it about that one. Okay, now let's get back to the topic of the day, which is this strategy right here. This is strategy. So if you want to grow your small account, this strategy is also good for you to use. Okay, although it's a scalping strategy, and I know most of you don't like this kind of strategy because you are scared of spike. Okay, but if you put fear in everything you are doing, then you can never progress. All right, so enough of the motivational talk. Now the first condition is that you want to see this blue line get to the overbought level. This blue and red line, they need to get to the overbought level, but the blue can go to the overbought level first. Okay, now after it gets to that level, you check your main chart. You are going to see that the fractal will appear above that spike, right? Just like you are seeing here, the fractal will appear above the spike, right? So once the fractal appear, maybe after 2 or 3 candles, the fractal will appear. Now after the fractal appear, that is a clear condition that the market is about to reverse. Right now you are going to look at your main chart, your indicator window again, sorry. So on the indicator window, you want to see that this blue line start crossing below the red signal line. All right, so once you start crossing below the red signal line, that is when you should go in immediately. You see the crossing, you go in for 5 candles. You pick 5 candles, guys, and you exit the market. It's as simple as that. You just pick 5 candles and you exit. Now look at another example of this. You see it cross below this, all right, and you pick your 5 candles, you exit the market. Now you are picking the 5 candle because you need to be safe. You can pick 10 candle with this strategy, 10 if you want, but like maybe if you have a $10 account and you are trying to grow it, I will advise you just pick 5 candles and then you exit. Okay, so as simple as that. You see this area here, you pick 5 candle around this area before the spike will come, and you can still pick another 5 candle again. All right, so that is how the strategy work. You see, pick 5 candle here, all right, you exit. Now the condition was met here again, you pick your 5 candles, you exit. You can see the condition was met here, you pick your 5 candles, like that. That is how the strategy work. Okay, so you don't just take my words for it. Okay, like I always say, you don't just take my words for it. Make sure you back test it yourself and you see that the strategy is working. I'm here to just share with you the strategy, and you need to put in the work to make sure it's working. All right, so once it's working and you are good with it, then you can go in with your hard-earned money and trade with the strategy. Okay, so I think that is going to be all. I don't want to talk too much in this video. All right, so you can see the condition is met here. Now currently in the market, the condition is met, so you just wait for the crossing and you go in. So and make sure, guys, you do your analysis from the higher time frame also. You need to know the market you are in. So I think we are in an uptrend right now, so it's not safe to apply the strategy in this kind of market condition. You can see that it's not safe to apply the strategy in this kind of market condition. You want to apply it in a market condition like this. Now you see that the market is current here. Previously it was in a downtrend. All right, so now the condition you need to observe before taking an entry with the strategy, whenever you are making your analysis from the higher time frame. As you can see, I'm in the 30-minute time frame right now. So you want to see this blue line just like the 1-minute condition. Okay, you want to see the blue line crossing below, like you want to see that it has gotten to the overbought level number one, the blue line is crossing below the red, number two, like this, then you can go down to your 1 minute time frame and still apply the same condition in order to be safe. All right, it's not every time that it's not every condition that the strategy works on, but it works best in a downtrend. All right, so you need to take note of all those things. Like now, if I apply the strategy, anything can happen, and the spike that will come safe is not going to be a small spike. It can blow my account. So that's why you see sometimes I will share strategy, you will use it, and then you still blow your account because you are not applying everything. You are not like making use. How should I put this? You are not following the market conditions before going in. All right, so make sure you take note of all those things. So I think that is going to be all for this one, guys. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, you are missing a lot, okay? Because I drop free signals there from time to time that will help you grow your small account, okay? You don't need to do anything. Just wake up and you see signal that will help you grow your account, okay? So if you're interested, you can check the description of this video and then join. Right, so I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.